I, TD Joseph, welcome all to CREDAI MCHI e-Business exclusive edition with Asian Paints. After the success of 4 editions of e-Business, we are back with CREDAI MCHI Business, where we say that business is just a click away. This is a special second edition for Asian Paints, especially for this West and North market, and we have the president themselves representing their respective states. So we have here our CREDAI MCHI president, Mr. Deepak Goradia. He is also vice chairman for Dosti Group. We have Mr. Naveen Mehta. He is president CREDAI Indore from BCM Group. We have Mr. Sushil Mota, president CREDAI Bengal, and Mr. Rohit Raj Modi. Currently, is the chief mentor for the CREDAI National Youth Wing and CREDAI Women's Wing. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this session. I would like to request our president, CREDAI MCHI, to say a few words about the current market sentiments. Deepak sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome you all, Asian Paint team. Welcome all CREDAI Nation, various city chapters and state chapters president. And welcome all the participants who are there present for this event. We being a CREDAI MCHI mainly focused in Mumbai and MMR. The last 4 months is a phenomenal overall change in the market. The pandemic time from March onward, end of March to August end, we were all into various stress, almost lockdown and gradually opening the lockdown and gradually restarting. All our workers were there at site in the month of March and April. Till they were there at site till June, till the Shramik train started, migrant workers started moving to their native place, and then there was a big chaos, all site having workers disappeared. But fortunately, end of July, August, workers again restarted coming, sites started moving, and the construction point of view, we see that revival of the industry point of view. Since September, last 4 months have been phenomenal good months in the real estate sector. Specifically in the residential real estate sector, things have become very, very positive. People realize the importance of having a house and own house. The pandemic point of view, people realize that for the safety of the family, having a house is very important. Having a own house is also equally very important instead of renting the house. The millennial concept of having Uber life, Uber, whatever, whenever you want, you can call for a car, you want, you can rent a house. That concept point of view, people have now migrated to having the own house. And because of that, overall perception of buying a house has improved all across India. Things have started positively. Fortunately, in the state of Maharashtra, government being very proactive, announced the reduction of stamp duty, the transaction cost which we used to pay to government. It was 6% reduced to 2%, and that was with the short-term window till December, and now increased 1% till March. That has really helped the customer to close the transaction in the time frame. And other than that, certain benefits also offered by state of Maharashtra to support the real estate industry with the short-term sunset clause for the window for reduction of cost and premium. All this has led to the revival of economy of real estate and economy of overall economy, in the sense that real estate industry, whereas of all our material product and all, we are supporting to around 250 allied industries, including Asian Paint and other industries are dependent with the consumption of material. So the job creation point of view, real estate industry, after agriculture, the second largest industry for the job creation. And in that allied industry point of view, also huge job creation and revival of economy has helped. If we see last 4 months, Mumbai MMR show the highest registration of the documents, the highest registration of transaction, even vis-a-vis of last October to December 2019. Compared to that, more than double, 2.5 times transaction got registered in this current October to December 20 vis-a-vis of 2019. So overall, we do see that the trend is continuing. People, lot of companies now, we see that once the revival is happening, for the people who lost the job, they have now taking over the new team. Salary cut also what was there, now people are coming forward. So demand for residential real estate is not just pent up demand. The demand is continuing. Demand will continue for even 21 and further down coming years. But this demand point of view, Asian Paint being one of the large player where all developers in this platform are having connected with you for various of your product and various of services which you provide. And we are fortunate and we are thank you that you been with us on this part. And we will definitely ensure that all members are using the product, but we will be happy to have a partnering with you. And being a partnering, we would be happy to expand not only our business and relations with you, and it will help and support with your business. And this will really help into taking the partnership to the next level. I thank you again, Asian Paint, and over to Joseph. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Deepak
you.
bhai. We started with such a positive news. I'm sure that Asian Paints, the team is noting what Deepak bhai has said, and many more to come. So now I request Mr. Sushil Mota, President CREDAI Bengal, to say a few words about the Bengal and West Bengal market. Sushil ji. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, but not visible.
Yeah. Okay. So in Bengal, the situation is quite back to normal. And I'm happy to share with you all that, the credible developers are able to sell and they have reached almost pre-COVID level. Yesterday, we had a webinar on this Magic Bricks and there are few developers were there, 2-3 of us were there. And we all had the same experience that developers whose projects are running and where the site work is going on and who have good track record are able to sell almost pre-COVID level. Things have come back on track. And one good thing that the prices have not increased in Bengal, particularly Calcutta, for last 5 years, but we are now seeing some increase in the prices also. In last couple of months, the prices have gone up by 5-6%, and I think by March we will have another 5-10% increase. Because unless the prices increase, there is no position of launching new projects with so skewed margin. So Bengal, I'm happy to say that the customers are coming back. There are more conversion, and in fact, now that site visit vis-a-vis conversion ratio is much better than earlier. This is what the Bengal scenario is.
Thank you so much again, sir. The very, very positive news from the Bengal market. I would request now Mr. Rohit Raj Modi, the most happening person in CREDAI National. So he's the chief mentor for CREDAI Youth Wing and CREDAI Women's Wing. So the most happening division at CREDAI National. Sir, so would you like to say something? How is the mentorship going on, and what you see with the new generation?
I don't know why Joseph likes to call this as the most happening part of CREDAI National, maybe because of the women's wing. Joseph, next time we should make you in charge for that. Friends, I wish I could share the excitement which I can see on Deepak Bhai's face and hear in his voice. Well, Mumbai obviously has had a rocking last 4 months, thanks to some very, very proactive state government policies, obviously combined with historically low home loan rates across the country. While NCR has not really matched up to what Mumbai has really done, and as most of you already being part of real estate sector are aware that NCR as a market has been under a stress for last 3 to 4 years. But what is heartening to see is that the revival, the rebound post-COVID is actually at a phenomenally good pace. We had not expected the rebound to happen at this pace in the residential space, but sales have actually beaten all expectations in last 4 months. While they have not met the highs of Mumbai, but the sales have been excellent in last 4 months. And as Mr. Mota was pointing out, as it is in Kolkata, similarly in NCR, credible developers, good brands, brands which have been delivering as a track record and continue to deliver. Wherever projects are showing progress, uh, buying is happening. And in fact, the time for closure, the buying cycle, as we say, from a lead to conversion cycle, very interestingly has shortened compared to what it used to be pre-COVID, which actually tells you that the buyer who's present in the market today, if they are end users, they are serious end users who have decided that they need to lock in a deal, or if it's an investor, they see that it's a right time to invest in the market. So yes, all in all, it's a positive news from NCR as well on the residential sales side. Over to you, Joseph.
Thank you so much, everyone. Now, we spoke about CREDAI and I introduced the entire CREDAI team. So now we'll go to Asian Paints. Asian Paints is India's biggest building material company with multiple product ranges from construction. They are the first time ever presenting an integrated solution on how a developer can save time, money, and resources if they go with Asian Paints brand solution. We have the entire senior team here, and I would like to start with the main boss, who is Mr. Pragyan Kumar. He's the Vice President for Asian Paints Home Improvement Division. He has an experience of about 25 years in Asian Paints in its multiple business with expertise in the marketing field. Given the various roles that he has worked on, he is someone who knows in and about the Asian Paints thoroughly. His knowledge in the field of construction business is probably better than almost anyone in the industry. Given his depth of knowledge and the vast experience, there would probably be no one else more fit to lead the new business of home improvement of Asian Paints to success. And he has been doing so since its inception. Also, he is the pioneer of the Royale brand that has now booked a household name for all the luxury paints requirement. He is also an alumni of IIT and IIM. This research is done by me and my team. And then we have his entire team. I'll give a short introduction. Mr. Shyam Swami, Associate VP, Project Sales, Service, Retailing and Decor. Mr. Ashish Ray, General Manager, BART Division, Home Improvement. Mr. Maulik Desai, Business Head, Sleek. Mr. Amit Rasde, General Manager, Project Sales. Mr. Vikram Singh Dhingra, National Sales and Service Head, BART Division. Mr. Manoj Veeramani, Sales and Marketing Head, Sleek. Mr. Rajat Katyal, Project Sales Head, North, Central and South. Then we have Mr. Jaidat Udyawar, Brand Manager. We have Mr. G. Suresh Reddy, Project Sales Manager, South Sleek Home Improvement. Mr. Abhinav Jain, Brand Manager, BART Division. So Deepak Bhai, the entire senior team of Asian Paint is here. And there is a very positive day, very good day today. The latest news is Asian Paints Q3 results is out, and their profit is 1,238 crore for this quarter. So, Mr. Pragyan, is this right? I have a proper research.
Yes, you're pretty right. So, like the sentiments expressed by Deepak Bhai, Mr. Mota, and Rohit, we are also seeing fairly, of course, Q1 was a little bit of a washout for everyone. April and May was, practically very little business. But since then, we saw the revival of business happen through the entire country. The revival began with, the smaller towns and upcountry areas kind of picking up business. The requirement kind of coming in from those areas pretty much strongly, and then it started seeing growth and business kind of emerging from the larger cities, tier 1 cities, metros, and all across. Actually now it's at fairly steady level at pre-COVID levels. Like you rightly said, the business at a revenue level, we've kind of at a group level, we've clocked in more than 15,000 crores in this year at an overall Asian Paints group level. The growth, last quarter Q3, it was almost as much as about 6,800 crores with 25% growth in revenue. So that was pretty strong, and the profits have also been reasonably okay. So the company's kind of at a 9-month level, end of December, it's just close to the last year figure. So it's close to base, a negative 3%. We announced our results yesterday, and the company's done fairly well for itself, but it also represents how the entire market is kind of shaped up. And all of us in the company are seeing this happening, seeing the demand come up to the right levels across all kinds of segments, both residential, commercial. Projects has also started doing well, and very happy to hear the sentiments which were expressed by all in this meet. So yeah, it started, the year started obviously on a bad note for everybody, but it looks like it's going to end on a strong positive note, and therefore the future looks quite bright and good.
So I'm sure the entire senior member who are here present are responsible for this profit, 4-digit profit.
Absolutely. Not just the entire team that is present here, but everybody else also, because we are all closely associated with every single builder. We are large suppliers to everyone here as well. So all credit to the work that is happening all across. So yeah, it's good teamwork from everybody at Asian Paints. It was actually a good time for the initial period when when markets were not so operational. It was a good time for all of us to kind of go into some bit of rethink on how we should operate. What are the things that we can take up? Lots of new products came out. In fact, the company started a whole new line of sanitizers and a lot of home products in the zone of hygiene and health, right? So a lot of new categories also got initiated, and the company has kind of kept pace with the demands that came up during the time when we had intense lockdown and issues around that. At the same time, now when things are getting back to normal, we are able to keep up with the demand and provide new products and new categories themselves.
So this would be a 22nd Jan would be a very memorable day for everyone of us. So stock market is doing good. You're doing good. Real estate market is doing good. So and very nice to hear all the positive news from across India. So again, a little brief about the company, Asian Paints. The company has come a long way since its small beginning in 1942. Very proud and honored to say Asian Paints is our own multinational company. Over the course of 25 years, Asian Paints became a corporate force and India's leading paints company. Driven by its strong consumer focus and innovative spirit, the company has been the market leader in paints since 1967. Over and above decorative paints, they have their presence in mechanized and non-mechanized tools, industrial coating, waterproofing, construction chemicals, bath fittings, sanitary ware, and modular kitchens. Wish you all a very good luck and looking forward to see your presentation. Over to you, team. Abhinav.
Thank you, Joseph sir. Thank you for giving us this opportunity as well. So I'll just quickly project the presentation. So we have this presentation in 3 different parts. I have with me Mr. Mohit Iyer, who is representing us from APPS. He's the brand manager in APPS. And we have Suresh Reddy ji, who is the projects manager for South. He'll be representing Sleek, and I'll be talking about Bath. So over to you, Mohit.
Thanks a lot, Abhinav. Thank you very much, Mr. Joseph, for covering the introduction for Asian Paints in such a lovely manner. As Mr. Joseph has covered so well in the beginning, I think the journey of Asian Paints is something that is well known to all our attendees here today. From being a paints company and the market leader since 1967, we have come a long way with our offering, not just in the decorative segment in India and overseas, but also in the industrial and automotive segments. In 2017, we celebrated 75 years of our innovation, which also heralded a new era for the company as we broadened the definition of home decor in India. We have always been very connected to our customers, and as the Indian market has grown, so have we. Through our home improvement vertical, we have brought the bath and kitchen segments into our portfolio through BathSense and Sleek. This year has also seen us enter the world of lighting, furnishing, and furniture. In health and hygiene space as well, Asian Paints offers a wide range of products and services which are the need of the hour. The driving force behind this expansion has been the evolution of our customers and the need for us to be present in their minds for not just one particular product, but for the entire concept of home decor. During the course of this presentation, we'll be discussing these new businesses in depth, along with how we are integrating these service offerings with Project Sales, our institutional business arm. Asian Paints Project Sales is our institutional business arm, which offers a host of products and services that cater to the need of large customers and help them choose the correct solution for the project need. In light of the new segment that our company is today present in, Project Sales also acts as a platform to integrate all these solutions for the institutional customers. Some of the key features of Project Sales are a focus on the technical aspect for the product by the way of detailed reports and on-site assistance and training, advice from decor consultants on picking and visualizing colors via digital tools and sampling, introduction to expert applicators, consultants to ensure flawless execution, preferential pricing for bulk requirements, and a wide network of direct site deliveries, and that saves time and a lot of hassle. Moving from our specialized services, we first speak about Smart Assure. Smart Assure is a acceleration service which is aimed at executing waterproofing work on the site in a seamless and expert manner. The service provides an expert customized solution that encompasses aspects of project management like scheduling, optimization of material, labor, and periodic reports through the life cycle of the project. On the execution front, we partner with a team of specialized applicator with access to a wide range of products and mechanized tools. We have also integrated a robust post-execution redressal mechanism, which ensures speedy resolution of any issue that may arise in the course of project and after that also. Moving to the next subject, we speak about Bath Assure. Bath Assure contributes to 40% of waterproofing issues. Bathroom solutions contribute to 40% of the waterproofing issues that arise at site. The repair of such areas are time and cost intensive process. The issues can arise from not just tile surfaces and sunken areas, but also from the pipelines and fittings used. It utilizes our expert in-house waterproofing solutions, which are made for the various surfaces in the space like sunken areas, floor beds, tiling, and grouting, etc. At the same time, we bring to the table state-of-the-art sanitary ware and bathware that ensures not just performance, but also tick all boxes on the aesthetic fronts. By merging these two areas of importance, Bath Assure brings to you a comprehensive offering that is preventive in nature. Moving to a subject that addresses a critical need of the hour, SanAssure Pro. SanAssure Pro is a unique sanitization service designed to safeguard large premises for up to 90 days. This is done through the application of advanced cationic silver nanoparticle technology-based self-protection coating. The revolutionary product is non-toxic in nature, recoatable, and has compatibility across variety of services and surfaces. The main feature here is its ability to provide 99.9% protection, which is also validated by various test certificates as per global standards like JIS and ISO. The coating is applied by a team of specialized trained applicators and assures protection against virus, bacteria, and other germs by not only eliminating them, but also preventing their growth. The service perfectly encapsulates the strength of Asian Paints to be able to innovate and adapt to changes in the market and offer a high quality offering in such a critical space. Moving to the next portion of our presentation, I would request Mr. Suresh Reddy to take over.
Thanks, Mohit. Welcome all the developers. I welcome to the Sleek presentation. Sleek is a brand portfolio from Asian Paint. It's a 100% subsidiary. Sleek started its journey. Can you move to that? Yeah. Sleek started into the journey in the year 1993. So these are the pioneers in bringing the modular kitchen concept from the European. And in 2013, Asian Paints has acquired Sleek 100%. Currently, we are having around 5,000 plus component network across Pan India, right from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And we had state-of-art exclusive kitchen studio showrooms across all the major metros in entire India. Currently, we are having around 200 plus showrooms across where you can have the touch and feel of the product and experience the service center and also feel what is the requirement you can actually share into. So we have an exclusive range of product category by the name of Smart Kitchen range, which actually takes care of the modern customer requirements. We also have wardrobes, which actually caters to the new age wardrobe requirement as well. Currently, we are pan-India present with a 27 years of experience spread across the pan-India. You can see the Indian map where we are actually present with our exclusive showrooms across pan-India. I'm proud to say that we are the #1 company right now in the modular kitchen industry where such a kind of vast spread and service is being offered from the family of Asian Paint. As we move ahead, Abhinav, can you just move on? Yeah, I just quickly cover in terms of the range of product offerings right now we offer into. As we look at the product offering is made up of 4 different components. One is the hardware element, which is actually called the blood of a human, like the blood of the human body, because it actually runs the entire performance. Because there is the huge performance background of the entire, each and every product actually depends upon this hardware, accessories, and finishes and appliances. As we move ahead, I will just slightly discuss in terms of each and every category, a small go ahead kind of things in terms of explaining about what is the range we offer. This is one of the beautiful kitchen, which we call it as matte pro finish. When I say matte pro, it is actually a fingerprint resistant. So what is the reason behind bringing this kind of a product offering? This is a common problem in the entire paint industry. And we actually take care of the entire Indian consumer requirement in terms of, because when you have a kitchen experience, all the fingerprints are absorbed in all the finishes. But with this matte pro, this is fingerprint resistant and dust opposing resistant. So that we address the entire problematics of the entire modular space of this particular kitchen and actually drive the customer happiness. Coming into the next finish. So this is the finish. This is a unique, one more unique finish. The top layer, the wall cabinet, which are placed in the top of the, if you see, those are the banana veneer finish. So these are the veneer which is being actually peeled from the banana trees and actually dried and actually painted. So the grain pattern is perfect and uniform and tough. That is how we actually make. And the bottom, if you see, these are made up of an Korean shutters. So whenever the customer require, like, I want that elite feature, like I want the pride of my modular kitchen. So that is the range of offering we would like to have in this particular range of offering. Yeah, moving to the next finish that is called Claytex finish, which we offer right now. So this is one of the Claytex finish which we offer. The Claytex is basically made up of ceramic finish. The beauty of the ceramic is that right now this particular finish is a very rustic feature and actually gives the antique nature and specialized feature offering to the customer. This has a unique proposition of low porosity. So what does actually a low porosity means? When the low porosity is, the absorption capacity is very low. So the stain marks retention on the surface is very low, so that it can be clean and neat and have the everlasting fresh look over a period of time. So these are the couple of finishes that we actually showcase. We, apart from the regular range of laminates and solid wood finishes, these are some of the regular unique features we offer into our entire product portfolio. Yes, Abhinav, moving on. So these are the finishes which I actually covered. I'll just cover in terms of accessories. So when you say accessories, accessories are the storage elements where you can actually organize your entire kitchen beautifully. It's not only arrange the every element of what goes into the kitchen making process or what goes into making of a recipe, beautiful recipe. All the utensils are being properly organized in our modular kitchen so that they are being neatly arranged so that the aesthetics and the functions are intact. So if you see the top bottom, it is one of called a bolt basket. That is one of the best product or the innovative product offering from the Sleek, which is not available in the market right now. We got a corner unit, so we got a lemon corner, or we got a twin corner. We got a cup and saucer cutlery unit. We got a range of offering right from a basic laminate, basic wire basket range to an imported German hardware. So there are plethora of range of products that is being offered right now. So when you see the dado area also, where you want to arrange some small tea or coffee making also, we got the product that is being arranged in the accessory offering. So there is a complete range, right from the economy offering to the high-end offering. The range of product offering is being available right now with the Sleek. Moving on to the hardware part. So this is the hardware part. So apart from the regular offering in terms of the channels and hinges, which you actually normally see in the regular market, we got some unique hardware. So what the policy of the Sleek is, bring the best in the world available and offer to the customer who are actually willing like to do. So we got tie-up with some of the best-in-class products in the companies in the world, like Grass, Tiamos, Slim, across Rehav and companies. So that what the purpose is like, we want to offer the best-in-class product across categories. So this is one of the unique incline hinges where this has been complete. The hinge is completely concealed. When you actually open and it takes the functional aspect as well as the aesthetics are being highlighted in a very unique way. Moving on to the appliances category. Yeah. So appliances right from kitchen hood, the hob, cooktop, oven, microwave, dishwasher, inbuilt refrigerator, wine cooler. So we got the entire range. So the reason why we got into hardware, a range of finishes, accessories, and appliances is we want to be a single point of solution for the entire customer. If you want what is the best in class, if you want a budget customer, we want to have that entire range. If you are looking something like a very Uber kind of a look and a modern look and with a very good finishes, we got the entire product folio available right now. So we got a tie up with a Bosch and Siemens for the customers who are looking completely in a different range of offering also. So the entire range of modular kitchen, whatever you require, right from finish, hardware, accessories, and appliances. The entire range is being offered. The beauty is we come to the site, we take the measurement, we take the customer requirement, and based on the requirement, we design the modular kitchen and we execute the installation also and gives a complete service production for the entire offering. Yeah, Abhinav, go on. So this is about a kitchen. So right now coming into the wardrobes. So wardrobes is a different ballgame altogether. So each and every Indian customer has his own wardrobe elements. So based on their requirement, we customize the wardrobe requirement as per the customer rate. You got a party wear, you got a Indian wedding, you got a modern office wear attire requirement. So all this wardrobe requirement we customize accordingly. So we got a tie-up with one of the company called Romplus from the Germany. So where they are internationally pioneers in terms of hardware fittings. When I say Romplus, they are actually pioneer in terms of their performance, smooth functioning of their hardware. So in the wardrobe, the range of product offering right from particle board, MDF, HDFs, plywood finish, these are the core material that we offer. When you look into the finish of the wardrobe also, the basic laminate, a scratch acrylic, wallpaper, PU polyurethane finish, a gloss moisture, glass, and a mirror finish. So the entire product portfolio of the wardrobe is completely offered right now here. So that it also fits into different range of budgets and different range of customer requirement. That is how the offering of a Sleek is being designed right now. So coming to the wardrobes, there are two kinds of wardrobe right now we are offering into. One is the hinge wardrobe, the left side part, which is the basic offering. So where we can have the different range of finishes also. You can have a laminate and a PU also. Whereas in terms of sliding wardrobe, we got the sliders which are there. You can have a combination of a wallpaper in the center, or you want something more unique or especially designed as per your architect need. Also, we can customize as per the requirement. And we got another range which is called the walk-in wardrobe. Walk-in wardrobe is, Abhinav, can I just move on? Yeah, this is called the walk-in wardrobe, which is called a room within the room, where you got this unique showcase of wardrobe finishes or wardrobe you have in terms of a customer presentation. Customer who was delighted to show his wardrobe attire, so we can have this kind of offering also, where you got this doors which has been from floor to ceiling concept. It can be a see-through glass, or it can have a mirror, and a combination can be detailed in this. Going on to the So these are the wardrobe accessories which we actually make. For example, you got if you want to have a trouser pull-out, you got a trouser pull-out in a matte chrome like auto-coated finishes. You want to have your cufflinks and your belt and leather wallets to have it properly arranged. You want to have your shoe rack properly arranged in a wardrobe. So it is something like a basic. For example, in a hinge wardrobe, you can have a basic. When you go into the walk-in wardrobe, you got a complete range of product offering so that you can have your products neatly arranged and stacked so that it is being neat and clean and have the maintenance easy free. So this is one of the innovative concept which we call the modular ready kitchen concept. So typically in the certain markets of central India and northern India, where most of your builders are offering as a civil as a work. I mean to say you have a granite vertical in the center, verticals in the centers, and marble verticals, and a granite is being laid. We are ready to offer a unique solution called modular ready kitchen offer. So what is actually this modular ready offer actually gives? It actually gives a skeleton of the kitchen, what a customer can view of, first point. Second, it actually offers to customize as per the customer requirement. So this is an offer where customer can come and have their own accessories selected based on their utensils, based on their requirement on the member of family members. Second, they also can select the choice of finish, the color, the texture, and the pattern, whether you want a laminate, you want a PU, whatever it is. But it actually gives the beauty of what it actually differentiates. It gives more storage area for the customers, because since these are the vertical which are being made, so that there are no alignment issues, first thing. And since from the family of Asian Paint, we actually make this such a product in terms of installation so that it actually takes care of the life of at least a minimum of 10 years. That is the warranty which actually comes into. So this is the modular kitchen concept which we are offering uniquely from the developers right now in the group. Would request each one of you to have a look at this particular concept rather than going into the civil upgradation, so that if you can have it, there is a more number of choice to the customer in terms of modification. Since each and everything is a module, we can resize and reshape the entire kitchen also as per the customer requirement also. So each and every individual customer of a particular flat can have their own unique kitchen design and shape and color of this particular. So this is what we are offering from a modular ready kitchen concept. Yeah, enough. So coming to the installation, so we are being ISO 9001 and 2015 certified as an organization in terms of our production capacities. We had a Green Dot certified and BIFMA certified. So what is the beauty of Sleek when compared to the other players in the market? We have a competent installation team who are trained to take care of the highly engineered products across the globe. What we offer across the globe products for our customer. So our competent installation team, which is there, they're being trained on each and every product. You name it as a rompless sliding wardrobe, Kisawuma lift ups, across all these products available which under the roof we are offering right now. These guys are actually trained. So when I say trained, then what is my promise to the customer? That is being delivered. That is the commitment we have from our offering. And this team is an in-house team. So we don't outsource anything because we have the review mechanism and the performance. So since we have our installation team, so we are very committed in terms of delivering our promises and our commitments. The second beautiful most offering which we actually make is pre-drill kitchens. What do I mean by pre-drill kitchen? In a pre-drill kitchen, all the holes which are being required to make a screwing part are being drilled prior in the factory itself. When I make the drilling in the prior in the factory, so the installation takes 1/4 of the time for the installation in the customer place. So the beauty of a modular kitchen is complete it very fast, move out. So that is the speed we can actually do because of this pre-drill kitchens. So since we does this pre-drilling in the factory, the life of the expectation of the hardware also goes to a altogether increased because of the pre-drill factory, because the hole size perfectly matches to the screw size. So that is how the pre-drill actually benefits into. And also, since they are big developers, we actually adhere to all the SOPs, safety measures, and statutory requirement in terms of PF, ESIC, etc., so that we are online with the expectations of the developers like you. Would request everyone to actually to have small attention in terms of this particular slide, because I would like to actually highlight on the key points of the Sleek offering from Asian Paint. The first point is we offer 10 years warranty from our kitchens. So what is this 10 years warranty about? This 10 years warranty is thought process very dull in terms of Asian Paint Group family, in terms of how do we actually offer this 10 years warranty. The first thing is the The first 1 year, we actually give free service, like a car service kind of a thing. So every fourth month, we come and actually do the servicing of our channels and accessories and check for any manufacturing defect, or also guide some of the usage of certain high-end products, so that if a maid is using the kitchen, so that we actually make a service help so that the product or service is being extended. Then this service can be offered as an optional for the small premium for over the next 3 years. That is what we actually give. Second thing, if I want to say what actually goes into this 10-year warranty in terms of our product make. So we actually own manufacture SS304 grade baskets, which are lifetime rust-free warranty. So this is kind of a hardware actually, which actually accessories, which actually goes into our kitchen. Second, in terms of ply, we have say we offer IS303 BWR ply and also IS710 grade BWP ply. So this plywood is pasted upon by 1 mm thickness laminate on the front and back, yielding into a 18 mm finished laminate. Why we use 1 mm laminate rather than 0.6 mm, which is predominantly available in the market? Because when you use a 1 mm laminate, because of the thickness more, it has a more abrasion resistance, so that I can give my watch for my 10 years warranty. If you want to touch into smaller aspects, like in terms of the edge banding, for you, edge banding is a small thing, but for us, edge banding is a bigger thing, because we don't compromise on edge banding. We use the edge banding from a company called Rehav, so that whenever the abrasion resistant, whenever the pressure is being on the edge banding, it actually takes care of the pressure, and actually it stands for my 10 years warranty commitment. When I say legs also, we use the legs from the company called Slim. The legs performance of the Slim actually goes up to 20 years of performance. So there is a micro level understanding of each and every product category that we offer. That is the commitment in terms of 10 years warranty. Is not just a 10 years warranty, we say. It is from the Asian Paint assure that we say it is a 10 years warranty. And also our commitment is in terms of all the metros, we reach the customer within 24 hours of any service requirement. If it is an upcountry location, we actually reach within the 48 hours. This is what the Asian Paint promises. Coming to what actually is Sleek advantage for the developers right now in the group. One is we are competitive. How I say competitive is, Abhinav, can I just move back? Yeah, when I say competitive, why we say competitive is because we work for the developer group in terms of a customized cost plus model pricing. What do you mean by customized cost plus model? Based upon the unique because we believe each and every flat is a unique for each and every project. So for every unique requirement, we actually makes in terms of design, and the products goes as per the design, so that we actually build the cost from the products which actually goes, so that we are actually making our price very competitive as per that particular design. So that is how we actually make as a cost plus model, rather than saying like, for example, a 10-feet kitchen MRP is this and we get a standard discount. So that actually makes a differentiator for us, so that we are being more competitive. Second, in terms of the quality adherence, we got a strict quality adherence, because whatever we say, we commit for it, because it is an offering from the Asian Paint family, and we don't use any cut and corner like in the market practices, so that we abide by our commitment in terms of how we actually can deliver that promise is because we are the only one company, or one of the few companies, who got the in-house manufacturing capacity, so that what we sell, we know the capacity in terms of the quality measure, so that we actually, the policy of it, like we should be selling more of the product which actually we actually manufacture. And we have our in-house testing laboratory. So each and every batch of a plywood or a laminate, every product is being tested, qualified QC is being done, then only the product is being released. And one of the beauty is Sleek, it's being 20 years of legacy of experience. We got a design expertise that it actually translates into. The technical sound design team across all the pan India is being present. The core team at Bombay offers exclusive offering time design solution and personalized individual requirement as well. And also as a part of a thing, we would like to actually send all the group developers who are actually right now participating, we would like to sell some sample slim legs to all of the group offices, so that you can actually see that what are the micro level products we actually get into, and actually make the quality checks, so that our 10 years warranty actually brings a true meaning to the 10 years warranty. Thanks, Abhinav. Abhinav, you can act.
Sure. Am I audible?
Abhinav, take care for the bar presentation.
Yeah.
Yes,
Thanks.
Abhinav.
Thank you, Suresh ji. So thank you, Joseph ji. So Yeah, welcome everybody to the bath presentation, the bath part of it. So as we have discussed APPS, the different services and the different products that we have under Sleek, I'll just quickly run through whatever offerings that we have in bath and explain to everyone what are the new products as well that we have got this year owing to the COVID situation. So while AP acquired a brand called SS in the year 2014, SS has been in the business since 1990. So we have gained good expertise of over 25 years in this business in terms of supply chain, in terms of quality, and in terms of the kind of practices that are there in the business for bath. In 2016, we launched a brand Royale, which all of you are quite aware of in the paint segment as well, the premium brand. So we launched AP Royale in bathrooms as well, which caters to the luxury needs of the customers. And then we launched our flagship brand called BathSense. So BathSense offers CP as well as sanitary ware products, and is the main brand for Asian Paints Bath division. Uh, we have done more than 220 crores of business last year itself, and we are on a very growing path. So it gives a lot of insight on the kind of business depth that we have got into, and hopefully we'll grow more and more in this category. Before we get into the three different brands, I would like to discuss about some of the key products that we have launched in this year, and all due to the COVID situation that has arisen. So we've launched some touch-free products, the products that are need of the hour. Most of the brands also have these kind of products, but our products are differentiated from them because they have some really important features, like some beautiful designs, sleek designs, features like low voltage alarm, where the product sounds out a small alarm in case of low battery. Auto cutoff system, where the water stops after 60 seconds of usage, and anti interference system, where if you have two units that are working next to each other, there will not be any interference from each other in terms of electrical appliances or anything, and they both will work function really well. So some of the features that we have for our touch free products, not only features, but we also have these products which are known as sensor products in various designs as well. So we have a flat design, we have a wall mounted design as well, wall mounted design with flange sensor and with spout sensor, and the regular designs as well. We are the only brand to offer a 2-year warranty for the sensor. So we have sensors that are under warranty of 2 years, and we have options that are available in both AC and TC. So it makes us a brand or a company which offers multiple solutions to the customer as per their need. We also have touchless products in the water closet category. So we have the first water closet with touchless flushing mechanism, accompanied by soft close seat covers. They work on DC, and flushing kits are available separately as well. So if you want to convert some of your existing water closets into touch free systems, we have that mechanism as well. And we have models with siphonic flushing as well in this category. So these are some of the highlight products that we have launched this year. Now I'll get into the different brands that we have. So the first one, AP Royal, which is a luxury brand in our portfolio, caters to the luxury needs of the customers and to the designer needs as well. Within the Royal brand, we have launched a thermostatic product as well, thermostatic diverter, where we use a Verne thermostat cartridge. It's a high flow cartridge, which is coming from the best company in the world, and it has the best flow for the use. We use a 35 flow regulating spindle to control the flow of the water, and we are the only company to have this kind of an option, which makes this thermostat quite superior. All the three outlets can work together, and we are the only option in the segment to have that. The cartridge has been tested for more than 80,000 cycles, which translates to more than 15 years of usage. And it also has a safety mechanism where it shuts off within zero point 0.3 seconds in case the water is too hot and the temperature crosses 45 degrees Celsius. So these are some of the features of a thermostatic diverter. Uh, Coming to the signature collection, so the signature collection in Royal basically caters to the beautiful designs of the or the beautiful designs that are needed by the customers. Not only just beautiful designs, but some stunning looks and beautiful components and best in class components to ensure that the overall performance of the product is also quite superb. So we have products like Gold Rush, Demanta, Pearl Glory, where you can see, if you look at the Gold Rush design, it is a combination of white and gold, which gives a very unique look to the overall product. Demanta gives a very diamond studded look to the product. So these are some unique products that we have in our collection. We also have some other designs as well in the Inspire collection, where we have a twist design, a springboard design. Again, designs that have come from the needs of the customers after we have done quite a bit of survey and we have understood what kind of designs are needed in the market. So, talking about some of the features of Royal, so we use 3/4 inch spindles in all the Royal products, which ensure that these products work even at low pressure and customers have an exceptional experience while using the products. We have PVD coating in some of our products, and this ensures that the coating, especially the gold coating or the Pearl Glory coating, doesn't come off, and customers don't face those kind of issues. We have tiltable aerators in some of the basin products, where the aerator tilts up to 10 degrees Celsius, and you can basically wash the basin just by tilting the aerator and not splashing the water around, because with that, many a times the water splashes outside the basin as well. So this helps in reducing the possibility of that. So these are some of the features that we have in Royal. Uh, we have a lot of shower options as well in Royal, because showering becomes a very important element in the luxury category. So we have a ceiling shower which has a two flow system, mist and rain. We have body jets in brass and ABS, and we have more than 10 rainfall showers and telephonic shower options. So this makes the overall showering package as well a unique one and a very attractive one for the end customers. Moving on to our flagship brand, Bathsens. So Bathsens basically is one of our most premium brands, and it basically caters to not only the design requirements of the customers, but also addressing some of the major problems that are faced by the customers in their bathrooms. Hence, the tagline, "Bathrooms that understand you." Now, when I said some major problems, what problems are we talking about? So we are talking about problems like water flow. So in majority parts of the country, water flow is a big problem, and because of low pressure, people are not able to experience the right water flow in their faucets. So we have all faucets that work with 3/4 inch spindle. In the competition, if you look, they all have half inch spindles. We have 3/4 inch spindles that work even at low pressure. So this is one problem that we are trying to address. The other problem, which all of you must have faced on daily basis, is that the flow in showers on day 1000 is not the same as on flow as the flow on day one. So the nozzles get choked, the nozzles start breaking, and the water goes in different directions. So we have self-cleaning showers that don't allow the dirt to get accumulated. They have a technology inside which basically pushes the dirt out of the shower every time you switch off the shower, and the dirt gets out of the shower every time you after usage. So the shower remains clean, and hence the flow is quite consistent throughout its use or throughout its lifetime. uh, Water scarcity is a big problem in many parts of the country, especially in areas where continuous drought situations prevail. So we have dual flow aerators that can save water up to 50%. These are external aerators which can be attached to the faucets. So these are some of the problems that we are trying to address through the brand Bathsense, and hence this makes a go-to brand for all the customers, not just for some good designs, but also to ensure that they don't face any problems in their bathrooms. Talking about the sanitary ware products that come under BathSense, so because as I mentioned, BathSense bathrooms that understand you, even sanitary ware products have some unique features which solve some of the problems that you face in your bathrooms. So what are those problems? Need for noiseless bathroom. So it's very important that when you're using that bathroom, especially in the first in the morning hours, the first 10-15 minutes, you need peace in your bathroom, right? So that is one feature that we try to address. So we have silent flushing and feather closed seat covers in all our products, and this helps in reducing the noise levels in the bathroom. Need for hygienic bathrooms. This has gained a lot of popularity, obviously, after the recent pandemic as well. So all our products have anti-black glaze and finish and truly rimless closet designs that ensure that the hygiene is maintained throughout the bathroom and there are no complications over there. Flushing systems that should work in one go. So we have products that have different types of flushing systems like 4D flushing, siphonic flushing, tornado flushing, etc. And these ensure that all the flushing systems and all the excrete is flushed off in one go. So these are some of the features. I'll just quickly play a video. Please confirm if the video plays properly. So this is about 4D flushing, and you can see that in one go the flush happens properly. So yeah. Yeah, I hope the video played.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. So, this was a 4D flushing where water was coming from 4 different directions and ensuring that the bowl gets cleaned completely. So yeah, baths and sanitary ware, perfect finish, stay clean, and comfortable products, Comfort Plus and Endurance products. We have feather close seat covers that have a capacity or a bearing capacity of 400 kgs, which has been benchmarked with the sumo wrestlers, hence ensuring that all the people of different weights, even if they sit on the seat cover won't break. In fact, we give a 2-year warranty on the feather close seat covers and the flush fittings that we have in our products. We are the only company to give that kind of a warranty. uh, Talking about our economy brand SS, so SS is the brand that we acquired in the year 2014, and it caters to the economy demands of the customers, where the customers are not only looking for good designs but designs that and the products that fit in their budget as well. So we have some really good designs, flat handles and stick handle designs, and we also have products that work in very poor water conditions. They have products or they have components which work in poor water conditions as well and ensure that the customers have a hassle-free experience. We have a range called Robust Pro, which is a completely ISI marked range, which is a half-ton range and fully brass. This is particularly for all the government projects where the requirement for ISI marked products has gained popularity in the last 1.5 year. So we in fact are the only company who have a full range that is ISI marked. Uh, Now, these were the three brands that we discussed. Also talk about some of our unique products like the diverters. So, we use a 40 Hydroblast cartridge in our diverters, which ensures that the water flow is optimal for all the usages. We have got our product tested as well in an external lab, and it has been certified that our high flow diverter is much better than the competition. And it has better flow at different pressures as well. Because of its size, the Tipton locks in one go at a low pressure of 0.5 bar as well, hence ensuring that the customer doesn't face any problem in case of low pressure. It has a very smooth handle movement. The cartridge is quite smooth, and it auto switches to the spout mode on closing. So this again ensures safety. So that whenever the next person comes in to take bath, the water doesn't start come from the shower. So and if it's hot, it doesn't affect the person. So it starts from the spout mode itself. The unique thing about our diverters is that it is compatible across all the three brands, across SS, Batsons, and Royal. So if the customer is using our diverter body, they can switch between designs between, let's say, SS or Batsons and Royal, and they can switch if they want to. They don't have to change the inner part because it is installed behind the wall, so they don't have to change that. Our all our uppers are compatible with this body. Talking about the warranty, so we offer a 10-year warranty on SS and Batsons and a 12-year warranty on Royal. During the warranty period, we provide free service and free spares throughout the warranty period. We have a dedicated customer care service, toll-free number, where people can call and register their complaints. In fact, we have a paperless warranty system as well, where customers at the time of buying can call up, register their warranty by giving basic details like name, phone number, and address, and they can register the warranty. Next time, if they require any assistance, they can just call up on the toll free number, give their mobile number, and all their details will be available with us. In fact, they will not even have to produce the bill. So we'll know that the warranty has been registered at a a particular date, and the warranty will be counted from that. We have a benchmark time of 48 hours, where we attend all the complaints within 48 hours, for which we have more than 110 technicians across the country to service. And given that the cost of servicing is zero for the customers during the warranty, it saves money as well for the customer, and it ensures that they have a hassle-free experience. For all our practices, we have been awarded the ISO certificate in after sale service. We are the only company in the country to have this kind of a certificate from Bureau Veritas in after sale service. 72 of our products have been awarded a IAPMO 3-star rating. Hence, they can be used in green projects as well, where the flow rate is 4 liters per minute as per the guidelines of the green building certificates. Uh, More products will keep getting added to the list. And the supply time has been mentioned over here as 60 days. Just going back once, sorry. So the warranty here that I have mentioned, 10 years and 12 years, this is for the residential part. The commercial warranty is 7 years across all the three brands. Sorry, I just missed that part. So now that we have discussed all the different portfolios of Asian Paints, with APPS integration, we ensure that we are the single stop solution for all your building maintenance work, whether it be add mixtures or bathrooms or kitchens or flooring or sanitization or paint or waterproofing. Everything is available under one brand and a single stop solution for everything. So this is what we have to offer to everyone. Thank you for joining us. And if there are any questions, we can address them right now.
Thank you so much, Abhinav. Your presentation skill is as impeccable as your Asian Paints product.
Thank you. Thank you.
So there are a lot of questions. I'm sure your team is taking a note. So there are a few which I want to read. This is for the bath self-cleaning showers. What is the technology being used, and how is it more useful in the context of the Indian markets?
Yeah. So as we are talking about the self-cleaning showers, so self-cleaning showers basically have a vacuum plate inside. So when the shower starts being used and the water starts coming in the shower, some of the dust also might be coming with it because of the water conditions. And once the dust settles in, and once you close the shower, this plate pushes the dust through the nozzles that are there in the front part of the shower, and every time the customer closes it or puts the shower off, the dust gets pushed off and it doesn't settle inside. So every time you take a shower, the shower also gets cleaned. So that is the technology that we are using in our self-cleaning showers.
Thank you. Then there is a second question for Sleek. Given the choices for customization that you offer for the end consumer in terms of kitchen appliances, wardrobes, the design of the kitchen, how do you ensure perfect quality and execution every time?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. So good question. Yeah. So the thing is that since we have the complete installation, which is managed in-house, as well as the entire production also, which is completely managed in-house, we have total control over the overall quality of the products which are manufactured, as well as the materials which are actually installed inside, right? So having said that, we also have a in-house testing laboratory wherein a complete screening of all the products is done to ensure the quality is delivered as per the requirements. Also to reiterate one fact, other than quality also, which Suresh also mentioned during his presentation, is that we also have the complete process of pre-drilling in the factory itself, so that even the hardware holes related, everything is done in the factory, so that even at the site, a semi-skilled carpenter can also go ahead and install the kitchen in quick time. So that is how we manage the entire quality of the products, the installation through our in-house supervision, and the timely completion of the overall kitchen system.
So thank you. So one good question from a lot of people, that can we place one order to all products? So even like, for example, say, do you have a one-point contact? Because here we see every division has their own business heads. So how do we have a one-stop, as you said, it's a brand solution, one-stop solution. So if a developer wants to buy and he wants to contact one person, how do you do this for all the products?
Yeah, Vikram sir, would you like to take this?
Vikram, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Vikram sir, you are on mute.
Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry. Yeah, so that's a good question. And I think so, what we have been seeing and what has been told, that's an obvious clarification a person should look forward to. And I like to clarify and also describe it in bit detail. See, it's similar to whatever I'll say, a banking sector. A person is not handling all the products, but he's responsible for the service of all the products, for the service of all the verticals. So whoever is basically handling your account, whether it's a Sleek Kitchen account, whether it's a bath account, or whether it's an APPS account, that person becomes a default key account manager for your account. So anything which you require, he's the one-stop guy whom you can basically contact and get information on it. It is his responsibility, and as a part of his role, he will ensure that all the people converge at the time of requirements for discussion, negotiation, product technical discussions, and other services which are to be provided. At any point in time, you can just dial into one number, that is a key account person who is already dealing with you. You don't have to even make a note of any additional number there, and everything will be there at your doorstep. The moment that particular convergence is done with you, the independent vertical person then takes over, and rest of the things are managed as per the standards and the service commitments and product quality, whatever we offer to the customers. So that's the way. It's completely working in the similar manner. One person who is handling existing operation of yours is the default key account manager for you.
Okay, because we are an association. Generally, we have all the developers, owners, and if you see, real estate is generally the major decisions are taken by the owners. So, for example, this question also was there in my mind that Nimesh Ajmera, director for Ajmera Group, even he wanted to meet your team. So he was asking me, Joseph, whom should I meet? So so you have answered well. Now I have one more question, like from Assam. Upper Assam, you have like places like Sibsagar, Jorhat, Dibruga. I can't pronounce it. I'm so sorry. Do you have an exclusive showroom there?
This you are regarding asking from a see. So our network is across the nation, and there are places where showrooms are having overlap, where a person is handling having both Sleek and bar together, or having Sleek and paint together. There are people who are only dealing with paints. So this is across the geography. So you will never have a problem in terms of reaching out to us. You have to just post your query to us. We will ensure that people reach out to you and get the requisite service at your doorstep.
Okay, so because this question especially coming from the interior place of the West Bengal and other part of.
I like to put on record. There are currently altogether people. When I talked about that one-stop solution, we are a team of more than 1,000 people who are there in the institutional sales business as of now. More than 500 odd people are there from project sales. There is roughly 135, 160 odd people are from Bath who are there, and there are multiple number of people within Sleek who are part of the various geographies, and all of them basically take the role of one-stop solution. As I indicated, whoever is in touch with you is a default account manager.
Okay, so there are a lot of questions, but we are running short of time. So what we'll do is we have today we have people from across the market which we targeted today, that is north and east. And the best thing is the CREDAI chapters is always represented by their respective presidents, secretaries, and we have fortunately we had all the presidents here, and we would be sharing all the details with our chapters to our developers. We have Mr. Ajay Patel. He is from CREDAI Gahed, that is Gujarat. He is the president of Ahmedabad. He would like to give a vote of thanks. And before this, I'm sure that we have started working CREDAI and Asian Paints. I'm sure that the next quarter would be much better. The amount would be much better than this quarter. We will also take this as a stakeholder, and I'm sure that today evening would be a party for all the people who are here from Asian Paints. Pragyan sir, what do you say about this? So are you celebrating or just a weekend?
No, always celebrating. There are business is good, but Asian Paints, we are a happy bunch of people, right? We're always game for finding an occasion to get together and catch up, right? But yeah, the results have been great, so that's wonderful, and the future is also looking very good, like I said. So yeah, it's been lots of reasons to celebrate.
So again, I will repeat that this day would be really memorable. A lot of things happened today. And we have Ajay Bhai from Gujarat. He's sitting in his car, very excited to say vote of thanks. Thank you so much, sir, coming here.
Thank you,
Ajay
Joseph.
Bhai,
Thank you,
bolo.
Charmi. Thank you, Joseph and Charmi. And CREDAI MCHI and all chapter of CREDAI and Team Asian doing a very good and fantastic presentation. Everybody is so excited, and we will meet you soon, Team Asia. And आप लोग जभी भी if you are came to the Ahmedabad, so we'll meet surely at our guide CREDAI house. Definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. We will connect soon. And but last but not the least, this is our last online webinar. Today, we have a managing committee, physical managing committee meeting of a CREDAI at Mumbai. So we have decided that, market is open up, people are going to office, major attendance is happening. So we have decided that everything will now from today onwards will happen offline. So this will be again a memorable that our last session was with Asian Paints. So thank you so much once again, everyone. Now we'll see physically, we'll meet people. Thank you so much, sir, for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.